Diba, ang sabi natin sa inyo, squeeze. Ano nangyari? Tama ba? Short squeeze. Sabi natin magpa-pump either midweek or weekend. Una tayo mag-pump ng midweek. Wednesday, we pump. Kinuha natin tong 200. We retested it kasi iwan na iwan to eh. Yan yung mga clue sa price action. So, naiwan, pinump natin. Yung sumunod na candle, long red yung kahapon. The previous day, it was not a long red. Medyo nagkaroon ng konting delay. So, I was expecting a long red sana nung the following day. Pero, again, hindi naman tayo laging tama. So, nagkaroon ng delay but it was a long red. Before me, ano ibig sabihin po nito? Sabi nga natin, babalik yan. Nakikita natin that the bears are really pushing the price down. The bears are really in control. Ngayon, eto, mag-iingat. Kasi failed tong attempt na yan eh. Failed yan, nasundo na. Lahat na ng kailangan sunduin, sinundo na. Lahat na dapat na nakawalang ipit, dapat nakawala na. There is a high possibility that we're going to break this box. Yan po yun. 25.7. There's a high probability. Are we going to see another low? I don't know, and I don't think so. My theory is still stands, no? Na pwedeng falling wedge yan and then eventually boom, pataas. Yan pa rin. I'm looking at the next possible support at 25.2 and then eventually at 24.3 kung tatamaan man. Dito na tayo magkakaalaman kung magre-reverse tayo. So, ito, aantayin na lang natin. It's a matter of time siguro bago natin biyakin to. Hindi maganda sa price action yung kinain niya lang tong long green candle na yan. Kinain niya lang, binalik niya rin ulit. Show of force po ang tawag dyan. Yan, Tito Moves yan. Follow and like for more updates.